Alright guys, we're up here in Hensonville right now, and we're checking out this new food court area up here. It's called Muceno. I'll show you guys here. Muceno's. Like I said, it's up here in Hensonville. Actually, we lived right down the road here in 2013, 2014, and at the time this was nothing but a dirt lot with a goat in it. But anyways, we're here to check out this place. It's fairly new, so yeah, let's take a tour around and let's see what they got. All right, guys. Yeah, when you first come in, you got like a little what is it? A hot dogs. Looks like they do hot dogs here. What else did they do? Philly cheesesteak. But yeah, it's a little hot dog sandwich shop here. It's like Meals on Wheels. But yeah, let's take a little stroll through here and let's check it out. I mean, as you can see, it's like a food court here. A bunch of little stalls all over the place here, each selling something unique, something different. A lot of seating here, a lot of people here. So yeah, let's cruise through here and let's see what they got. Let's check out these eating spots. Tokyo temperature. I'm gonna have to give that a try sometime. Wicked wings. Imagine that's chicken wings. Yeah, chicken wings. Your choice of dips, and your choice of how many chicken wings you want. The Daily Detox. I think that is juice. Probably some type of health juice in here. Wag Young King. I'm probably pronouncing all these names wrong, but hey, I'm going to give it a shot. Tamaki. There you go, tamaki. The cone culture, right? Cone culture. All right.
Fisher fries. All good for serving.
Good for one serving.
All sharing, sir.
Oh, okay.
And for the 3 servings, sir.
And you got Benediction. Flame grilled. It's chicken, guys. It's chicken here. Chicken sandwiches. It's like they got a nice little grill in the back there, so everything's cooked right there in the grill. This is iced coffee. So if you want some good iced coffee, I would imagine you come here. But yeah, they even have an upstairs here for dining and for seating. Pure Italian ice cream. I won't even try to pronounce that. But it's Italian ice cream. Hello. This is, oh, what is this here? Smoothies. Looks like it's all different color or different flavored smoothies. Different drinks. Brownie, white chocolate, butter pecan, cookies and cream, red velvet, some s'mores. I gotta stay away from there, but yeah, that looks good. Got a little, looks like a little bar here where you can get your beer if you want it. But yeah, it's very nice back in here. Like I said, this was a dirt lot only a few years ago. But this is Bellychon. I guess they serve lechon. Yeah, lechon there, and rice. Wrap eat out. I guess they do wraps here. I would imagine. That's what it says, so they do it. Rad Sandwich. Angeles City, Rad Sandwich. There you go. These guys rock, man. The taco truck, so you know what they sell there? The name says it all, tacos. Then you got the Steakhouse Express. And you know what, guys? The prices are very reasonable. You know, I don't know what the portions are like. From what I see, they're a little on the small side, but you can't beat the prices. Then you got a Pizza Express here. Out self-explanatory. They make pizzas. Yeah, you can see they actually have an oven in the back there. They got a grill there that they cook everything on. Then you got Clark Burger. Self-explanatory. Clark Burger. Say cheese, it's the baconism, PB&J, and the classic. But yeah, you see they got everything. They cook everything right there. Everything's fresh. Then you got Lemon King. Make some lemonade there. And then they have shawarma. Right there's the shawarma. They cut it right there, and you get it fresh. So anyways, guys, we're going to actually head on in here, and there's so many places to eat. I don't know which place I'm going to go for. Everything looks good. So, yeah, we'll let you know how we make out, guys. All right. All right, guys. I mean, there's a ton of places to choose from in here. Everything looks awesome. But anyways, I went with the Rat Sandwich Shop right here. Check them out. They do good sandwiches here. So I'm hoping. I've ordered, but I haven't eaten yet. And Louisa, she went with down there, the, what's the place called down there, Lot?
Sting Belly.
What is it?
Sting Belly.
Sting Belly Chan? Belly Chan. Lee Chan. So she went with that, and we'll let you guys know how it was. All right, the food's arrived. I went with the Japo sandwich. It's got fried onions in it, no, caramelized onions in it. Some lettuce, some tomatoes, pork. Lottie, she went with
Billy Chan.
Lee Chan.
And kimchi.
Kimchi.
Of course, rice.
And of course, you gotta have the fried rice. We'll let you know.
That's rice.
Oh, just plain rice, my bad. We'll let you know how everything tastes when we're done. All right, guys, excellent sandwich. Very good. Came with some hot sauce, and I'll tell you what, that hot sauce was hot, man. Lit my mouth on fire. So let's go to Luddy, and let's get a review from Luddy.
My food is good, but I prepared it for hot.
She wanted it hotter.
Yeah, but the lemonade is good.
But it was good, lemonade. All right, guys. There it is. Like I said, it's the first time we come here, and it's right here in Hensonville. But yeah, if you guys are up in this area, I would highly recommend checking this place out, man. And we will definitely be back to try out some more of these foods here. All right, guys. Talk to you later.